Check it out, people. My favorite X-Body Nova. Oh yeah. The 4th gen, baby. Not really. And the sun is right behind me, so my shadow's in the way. Sucks. Yeah, it's a little better. 1979, man. 79 Mordor Nova. I normally would probably wouldn't even make a video on one of these, but hey, I think this one warrants it. I mean, this thing, if I'm not mistaken, this was the last year that you could get a 3 on the tree. Yeah, on the tree. I thought I was gonna be dyslexic with that. 3 on the tree, 3-speed on the column. Last year, 1979, if I'm not mistaken. If I'm wrong, y'all let me know. But, yeah. Last on the road, I think 2016. Damn it, the freaking mud. They had it, they didn't have it in the mud yesterday, but I didn't have enough time. Probably won't even have enough time to fit. I should, hold on a second. Probably also the last year that thing didn't have a, where you could open the hood without, from the inside. You know, give me a second here. Jeez. I still needed 2 hands to open the damn thing. There she is, man. Inline 6. I know usually this is like the last place I stop at, you know, in the video. But not today. Not today. Ooh, we got ourselves a an Accel HEI super coil. 14 what's that? Was it 0003? I've never used one of these. I've heard they're pretty good. What do y'all think? Is this one made in the US? I thought they were. It doesn't say made in the US though. I thought that I've seen them where it says made in the US. It might be made in China. Who knows? But 4.1 liter, 1979. Man, I'm sweating. Let's get that data tag while we're here. So like I was saying, last year of the 3 on the tree, manual, 3-speed. Can you see that? Man, that sun. Oh man. Let's see if we can. Come on now. See hail damage on this hood. I bet this damn thing will run. Oh man, a Mr. Gasket fuel pump. Huh. I bet this thing will run. I wonder if the keys are in there. I can come back and try it. Just for the heck of it, right? But she was a, you know, AC car, power steering, but manual brakes. Ugh. Front bumper's in decent shape. Grill looks okay as well. Yeah. Getting a fender over here. I don't know if I can get that van, man. I don't think I can see it here either. Oh man. Google man, I might not be able to get that van. Let me see. I'm taking too damn long here, honestly. Alright. Inside, looks like they had this car for sale somewhere. And whoever had it before, they put the Grant GT, is that the GT steering wheel? It had some aftermarket gauges, probably Equus, right? I would assume. There's your tree pedals there. There's keys to it right here, matter of fact. There are the keys right there. Yeah, but that's it. Or maybe not. Oh yeah, look at that. Alright. Look what we got back here too. Made in China. What's this? Somebody working on it, man. Oh, that brand new clutch. They went to they went to Summit. They went to Summit. Pick themselves up. That's probably new too. Yep. Brand new oil filter as well. Yeah, they were working on it, man. Oh, let me get up out of here. Oh, it's freaking hot. I think everything else is probably a factory. We can open that trunk. I know they're gonna get ready to start. Not much in the trunk. Actually, yesterday I looked in there real quick. I mean, they were already closing, so that was here. And that tire, that four-way, the lug wrench there. And there was also like some heavy-duty wire cutters and crimpers and another smaller hammer that I took. But the taillights on it. Back bumper's in decent shape. Can't remember if on these you get them aluminum. I'm not sure if this. It's probably steel. I know you get aluminum on those Camaros, if I'm not mistaken, right? I mean, decently straight car, but yeah. You know, some parts will fit the second gen F bodies. I was wondering about those that clutch pedal assembly, but from what I read, you couldn't really. This it's specific to the 75 to 79 X bodies. So, well, there it is, man. Just thought I'd get a quick one on this car here. Definitely not my favorite car. Actually, honestly one of the least favorites, or I don't even like it. That's not even the right way to say it. I think it's one of the ugliest cars, man, honestly. So, all right, people, on the next one.